done before y'all ever get here.
Alright, I'm out here at Tannehill Parkway. Got a quick update here. Thankfully, all the Lex-Cs lights on both signals, all 6 pairs in total, are still around. But there's a small update here, because Norfolk Southern has replaced the Safetran gate mechanism on this signal with a new Siemens imprinted one, almost certainly an S40. And it looks like they got a RECO gate light there. It looks like there's an NEG LED gate light there. I think that's new, and then you got another RECO there. And over here, Norfolk Southern actually left the old Safetran gate mechanism in play, just kind of laying over here. I guess it must have failed or something. Yeah, waiting on Amtrak 19 at the moment with Harris. We're just gonna catch Amtrak here and then continue down to Montgomery for a siren test. So yeah, just a quick update here at Tannehill Parkway in McCalla, Alabama. Over and out.